I've been developing software for 15 years, and I keep coming back to one simple idea. Almost everything in software boils down to three things: interface, state, function. Let's imagine a mobile app. Interface is what you see on the screen. It's the text fields, buttons, images. When you tap or scroll, you give input. The interface also shows you output, like what you see after you enter your search query. The state is the data that app stores and uses. Maybe it pulls it from the API, or maybe it saves it as a result of the user action. The function might transform raw data into a pretty chart, or take your search query and transform it into a list of search results. The same pattern appears everywhere, even as you move down the stack. Take an API. The interface is an API contract that other developers use to make requests to your API, often in JSON. The state is the data that backs the API, like your user records. The function is the business logic that runs when you make the request. For example, it could check if you are allowed to see the search results, or you have permissions or authorization to do that. Go one step further to the database layer. The interface is the SQL query that you write. The state is how the database stores your data in files, and the function is how the database engine turns your SQL query into a smart operation on those files to give you the data that you need. No matter where you look in software, you will see these three things: interface, state, function. Understanding this pattern can help you see the big picture. It can guide how you structure your code or think about systems. It might also help you debug problems or communicate with the team. After all these years, I still see these concepts like everywhere, and I think you will too, and now live with it.